8.3 microsieverts. 8.5. Focus. That is higher than some places in Tokyo. What the hell is going on? April. This is about 4, maybe 5 minutes after I've just taken this swipe. This is sample C. It's from another neighbour's car. All the cars are really dirty tonight. I don't understand it. Okay. I've put this into microsieverts first because I want to change it to counts per minute because I need to do a time count in a minute. Look at that. 46 times, 53 times background, 5.3 microsieverts, 6 microsieverts. Shit. 78, 7.9, 79, 8.2 microsieverts. Oh my god. That's 80 times background radiation. 83 times background. 8.3 microsieverts. 8.5. Focus. That is higher than some places in Tokyo. What the hell is going on?